What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another hashtag PonyCrate unboxing number 7. And today I'm playing a little bit of Linkin Park in the background, just to, you know, make known his death just recently. He was a good singer. Feel bad for his wife and his kids, stuff like that. But you know, it's whatever, you know, there's all kinds of depression that's going on in this world and it needs to be known. So but anyways, back to the PonyCrate. It's a little late this month because for whatever reason their shipping just didn't get here on time. So but I'm gonna go ahead and open it up without no further ado. Let's see what we got. We're gonna put the shirt aside. Sweet, we got some styrofoam again. I can always use that. We've got a cup coolie here by vmperformance.com. And then a little flyer that says something about their Mod Nationals. Presented by AccuFab, November 10th, 12th, 2017 in South Georgia. So it's a little drag show or something there going on. And then I got another microfiber towel and a multi-purpose cleaner by Armor All. Pretty awesome. So anyways, back to the shirt. That's pretty sweet. I actually like that shirt. That is cool, cool. Looks like I'm ripping my chest open to the pony gods. Pretty cool though, pretty cool. It's a good little box. Can't complain. Put all this stuff back in there. Sorry this one was so short, but anyways, I hope you all have a great day. Thank you again for coming in and watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.